This is the great, super compact Agfa Microflex 100 in a very good condition, barely any scratches, great lens, working perfectly. Okay, let's try it out. So you have to put two AA batteries in here. I'm using different ones, and you can follow the signs on the side that show how they need to go. Close the lid. Okay, that would be an off button, as you can see, that will be on. Great lens, zoom working perfectly. Let's try it out with an expired cartridge. Expired cartridges are hard to spin, so if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. So we mark the cartridge, this Kodachrome K40, we mark the cartridge, then we insert it, press down, close the lid. Okay, let's see what happened here. Okay, so no mark there anymore, as you can see. Perfectly straight film as well, so the motor and the film gate work together very well. It might need a little bit of oiling inside there, but otherwise the camera is as brand new. Off. Enjoy.